also we have the installation media through which is a Windows Server 2025, which is an evolution version I am using. You can see it here, which is a standard edition of Windows Server 2025 standard evolution edition, which is valid for like around it would be licenses for 102 days. Now we will check for the secondary thing, like first step, which is ADCS role, which is certificate services role, guys. So prerequisites I have already done. Like you can go to tools here, and from roles and features you will install the Active Directory certificate services. So here now I have done this part. When I have clicked on server roles, I have selected the Active Directory certificate and services from here. When you go to tools, so Active Directory certificate and services will come, and automatically once that come, its certificate authority will be provisioned it here. Okay, so this part is done. Now we have to configure the ADCS, which is the wizard we have to check, and the certificate authority will come. So after that, I will check on this part where I will see the configure Active Directory the certificate services, which is our ADCS configuration wizard. So here you will see that since I am logged in as an administrator, which is on my domain controller, so I will log into the enterprise domain account, which is our credentials with the enterprise certificate authority, and here I can type the credentials. It's loading slow sometime. You can see that I am logged in as an administrator. Now I click on next. Now here it would ask for the certificate authority, guys. So this we are on this step, which is optional, certificate authority web enrollment. But however, we have to select the certificate authority first. So I will select this, and then I will click on next. Now it would ask for the enterprise CA, which since it is a domain controller, so we'll select enterprise CA, which is your domain members, and that only will issues certificate basis on that. So I will click on next. Then it will ask for the root CA, guys. So you can see choose the root CA. So this is the step-by-step procedure. You will be understanding it in a very simpler way. Next, I will create a private key for this. Private key, we have to create a private key or existing private key also. So use this option if you do not have a private key or want to create a new private key. So guys, let's create a new private key here. Now it would ask for the algorithm part. So we have to leave the default cryptographic settings RSA 2048. Okay, so if you can leave it default or you have some advanced settings, then we can select that. Now second option we will select we can click on here and you can select the list. Period is 5 years, so you can extend it to 10 also. Okay, so here is the certificate validity period. Then you can click on next here. After checking the distinguished name, it is a prefix with the DC, and which is overview of distinguished name, which is our CN, which is example domain name. It is our certificate authority name, which we have given, and which will be mapped to the distinguished name suffix. So click on next. Okay. Now it would be asking is the validity period. So default is 5 years. You can extend it up to 10 years as I told. Now it would be asking for the database location after that, guys. So let's check for the database location. You can keep the default base location, which is C Windows 32 cert log. Okay. And the certified log location also you can keep it. And now guys, we have checked that after checking the database location, it would ask you to configure the certificate summary. You can see here what all distribution name we have given and click on configure. So it will take few minutes, and in the meantime, on the background, it gets succeeded and our configuration got successful. So once you configure, you can refresh it here. Okay, guys. So after refreshing, you will see that we have installed the ADCS configuration wizard, which is Active Directory Certificate Service Configuration Wizard, guys, which is required for our enrollment for the ADFS. Now, guys, after that, we will do the verification of the installation, guys. So how whether this certificate is installed or not. So for this, we'll go to tools, and from there, we can click on certificate authority, guys. So you can click on here and check. So once the check, you can see that the exam, we can expand the CA node here and should be now started. So from there, you can issue and manage the certificate. Now, the last step you can here. So this is our example, which is our certificate, issued certificates. You can click on here. Wait, you can click on here and you can see the you can expand the CA node and you can manage the certificate from here. Okay, now if you want to optional, this is the optional totally. If you want to install the web enrollment, then you can also do by installation by enrollment. You can give the certificate authority, and from that you can configure it to enterprise CE account. Okay, so this is all about our best practices. If you want to backup also the certificate, this also you can do, guys, from this cert util command, and also from PowerShell commands also you can backup the CA certificate. So this is certificate template also, guys. You can see when you click on computer name, it will be asking you for the template and public key usage list and public key usage official, which is yes. So this is all about our installation of certificate authority on our domain controller, guys. Hope you have enjoyed it. In the next video, we will see more on the ADFS part, dealing with SSL certificate and provisioning it. Thank you for watching.